In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Figma. Whether you're refreshing a design system or tweaking a single headline, changing fonts is quick and reliable once you know where to look. We'll walk through selecting your text, opening the font picker, choosing a new typeface, and using the built-in filters to find exactly what you need. Start by selecting the text layer you want to update. Click the text object right on your canvas to make sure it's active. With that layer selected, look to the right sidebar and find the Typography section. At the top of that section, you'll see the current font name displayed. This is your gateway to the entire font list. When you click the font name, Figma opens the drop-down so you can browse and search. In the font picker, you can scroll through the list or type the name of a font to jump straight to it. When you see the font you want, click it once, and Figma applies it immediately to your selected text. You'll see the change on the canvas right away, which makes it easy to compare options and confirm legibility, weight, and overall tone before moving on. You can control exactly where the change applies. If you have the whole text layer selected, the new font replaces the typeface across the entire layer. If you select a specific portion of text within that layer, only that selection updates, leaving the rest untouched. And if you select multiple text layers at the same time, Figma applies your chosen font to all of them in one step, which is great for keeping headlines, buttons, or labels consistent across a design. To find fonts faster, use the filters at the top of the list. All fonts shows everything available to you. Installed by you displays fonts that live on your computer. Google fonts are provided by Figma and ready to use without extra setup. Popular highlights commonly used choices. In this file surfaces fonts already present in your current file so you can stay consistent. And used at your organization points you to typefaces that your team relies on, helping you follow brand guidelines. That's the entire flow. Select your text, open the typography font drop-down, search or browse, then click to apply. As a final tip, after changing fonts, take a quick look at spacing and line breaks, since different typefaces can reflow text. With these steps and filters, you'll change fonts confidently and keep your typography clean, readable, and on brand.